Imagine waking up to a visibly lifted, sculpted, and glowing face. No filters, no fillers, just you, naturally radiant. Let's unlock that beauty together with Gua Sha. 1. Back of the neck. Start by massaging the back of your neck using the flat side of your Gua Sha tool, upward strokes only. This activates your lymphatic drainage and supports blood flow for an instant refresh.
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like
2. Side of the neck. Now move to the sides. Stroke from the base of the neck up to behind the ear. It relieves tension and tightens saggy skin from the bottom up.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
3. Neck to jawline. Glide the Gua Sha from the collarbone up toward the jawline. It tones the neck area while lifting your face naturally. Breathe deeply.
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't
deeply. 4. Center of the neck. Gently stroke the center of your neck, from the base upward. This promotes collagen production and improves neck posture for a longer, cleaner look.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
5. Jawline smoother, left to right. Now sculpt your jawline. Use the Gua Sha in a sweeping motion from the chin to the ear. This defines the jaw and reduces puffiness. Six. Jawline smoother, right to left. Repeat the same movement on the other side. Feel the tension melting away, revealing a more sculpted lower face. Seven. Cheeks smoother. Use upward motions from the center of your cheek to the hairline. This technique naturally lifts the cheeks and adds a youthful glow. Eight. Cheeks to temples, left to right. Slide from cheekbone to temple in one clean stroke. This tightens skin and helps reduce nasolabial lines. Nine. Cheeks to temples, right to left. Repeat the same motion on the right. This symmetry balances facial energy and boosts your natural contour. Ten. Eyebrow smoother, left to right. Place the tool above your left brow and glide outward. It instantly relaxes the brow muscles and lifts drooping eyelids. 11. Eyebrow smoother, right to left. Repeat on the right side. Feel the stress leaving your face, your eyes look more awake already. "12. Press above the nose. Use the edge of your Gua Sha to gently press between your brows. This calms your nervous system and helps reduce frown lines. "13. Eyebrow smoother, left to right. Let's go again, one more sweep on the left. Layering these movements maximizes lift. "14. Eyebrow smoother, right to left. Final sweep on the right brow. Feel that instant brightness, your eyes look lighter, more open. "15. The forehead lift. End with long upward strokes from your brows to the hairline. This lifts your entire face and smooths forehead lines effortlessly. Feel that? That's the power of Gua Sha, your beauty, awakened naturally. If you love this routine, you'll love what I've shared inside our private beauty community. Join my Telegram channel right now for your free face sculpting guide plus exclusive Gua Sha tutorials, tips, and live sessions. Trust me, if you're not inside, you're missing out on something big. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More natural beauty, face yoga, and skincare magic is coming your way. Until next time, stay glowing, stay Cenaz.